Hi, thanks for joining me today. I'm Scott, personal trainer with Gradual.Fitness. And today we're going to do another 6-minute ab workout, this time focusing on planks. Now, planks to me are the best overall workout that you can do for your body. It works your shoulders, arms, abs, back, quads, glutes, hamstrings, everything gets a little bit of a workout with it. That's also why they're a little intimidating, and hopefully we can kind of bring that intimidation level down a little bit and give you a couple different ways to get in and out of planks or modify them today. Now, the only thing I do recommend with all these short videos, and that's what I do in order to keep weight loss with these short workouts, is I'd like to take 15, 20, 30 minute, 45-minute walks to really get my body warmed up before. Do arm circles, do arm raises, do low squats, stuff like that. Things to really get my body warmed up, so when I get to this stage with lightweight or body weight exercises, my muscles are warmed up, they're not going to hurt themselves, and I'm ready to perspire a little bit, and that's what I enjoy, is just pushing the body, getting a little perspiration, keeping fit. So without any delay, or further delay rather, let's get to it. If you like the video, please like it. Also subscribe, help the channel grow. We're going to do 6 1-minute increments. And the first thing we're going to do, since I don't trust that all of you are warmed up, is we're just going to do light squats, not full, and just arm reaches over the side here. Just want to get your core and your body worked or warmed up a little bit. Even if you did work out a little bit before, let's get back to warming it up. We're just going to go like this. Bring your feet in a little bit. Maybe bring your arms overhead. Right? Let's go out in front of us. Just anything to get ourselves warmed up. Maybe go big wide sundial. Right? Let's just maybe hold our legs up or our arms in the air. Bring our legs up. Here we go. And then let's go back to the beginning, wide. Just as you can see, I'm just trying to get us warmed up here. Nice deep breaths. All right, in 5 seconds, we're gonna go to the floor with our knees. So here we go. First plank. Now, what I wanna do here is go to the knees, feet up straight, and then let's go up on our plank. Bring your arms straight underneath your shoulders in line. Let's go to the knees, knees up. Let's go back up to squat. Do it again. Let's get you warmed up here. Now, you want to brace through your tummy, and your hands are nice and wide like this. So you got almost L's to rest on in your hands. Let's go back down to the knees, back up, warm ourselves up, knees, back up. Let's hold here for 5, 4, gaze should be 45 degrees in front of you if you can. 2, 1, lower, knees up. Let's go back up right here. Let's go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you can't hold up, just hold the knees. I mean, if this is enough for you, do that. All right, so from here, what we're gonna do is one of my favorite things to do with squat, or rather with planks, and that's just to walk it out. So put your hands out in front of you and walk it out. So real close out to here, right? Gaze straight in front of you. Breathe in, walk it back, right? If you have to, go down to your knees and just walk it out, right? Hold it, walk it back, right? Otherwise, keep going. If I'm modifying too much, just keep going with what's comfortable for you, right? So go over top here, walk it back in. Let's go arms up overhead as we go back. Walk it out. Hold 1, 2, 3. Let's go back in. Walk it out. We got 5 seconds here. Let's hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it back in. Here we go. Now let's go down to our sides. We can modify this with our knees, but put our elbow straight up underneath our shoulder, like this on the side, and go on our knees. We'll just lift up like that, or stack your feet like this, and let's hold the side plank here. Let's go up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this from your knees if you have to. Let's switch sides here. 30 seconds on the other side. Here we go. And get in the frame here. On the side if you need it, or up fully. Hand on waist. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold up 5. All right, here we go. Now take a deep breath. Circle your arms in and out, right? Next thing we want to do here is, I'll show you from the back side. Put your feet like this, right? And then hold in the plank, gaze forward, and then step out to the side like this. Stepping out to the side, right? So, nice firm base underneath you. Hands almost L, wide shaped. Out to the side. You guys can go without me here. Just trying to keep everybody in tune with how to do it. All right? If need to, modify, come to your knees, go back up. All right? Keep we going. We got 10 more seconds here. Straight as you can in your back through to your heels. I know I'm going up a little here. 3, 2, hold it. Come down. Take a deep breath here, right? And we're going to do some planks to runs. If not, let's just go back to where we do side plank up if you're just modifying. Side plank up. If not, here we go. Let's run it out. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Go to your knees if you need to. Hold up like that. Let's go. Ready? 5, 4. We got 30 seconds left, guys. 2, 1. Hold. Deep breaths. Let's go again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Come to your knees if you need to. Right? We got about 10 seconds left here. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Slowly lower down. Lift your legs up behind you. Shake your legs out a little. Come to your knees maybe. Stretch your arms overhead. Thank you guys for joining me here. Hopefully these planks got you going. They got me going, a little perspiration here. Until next time, please subscribe, give us a like. Thank you guys. Bye.